Welcome to the Explainer. Today we are diving into the next huge step in artificial intelligence. It's called Agentic AI, and it's all about teaching AI not just to talk, but to actually do things.
Look, we've all gotten used to AI, like ChatGPT, right? You ask it something, it gives you an answer, it's a conversation. But what if AI could go beyond the conversation? What if it could actually perform tasks for you? That's the game-changing leap we're breaking down right now.
All right, let's get into it. To really wrap our heads around where AI is going, we first have to talk about the limits of the tech we're all using today. And this comparison lays it out perfectly. On the left, you've got generative AI. It's an incredible tool, for sure, but you have to guide it every step of the way with prompts. On the right, that's agentic AI. It's an autonomous worker. You don't give it prompts, you give it goals, and it figures out how to get the job done.
At first glance, you might think a lecturer is guiding you through this video. But the truth is, there is no human presenter here. Everything you are watching is being taught and narrated by Google's large language model. The AI is the teacher, transforming plain text prompts into a complete lessons. And that's the fascinating part. It's not a lecturer behind the screen. It's the artificial intelligence at work. Thanks to Google's LLM, we can now see what teaching looks like when powered entirely by AI. Let's dive deeper into the behind the scenes process. The first step is entering a simple text prompt, a description of what you want the video to show. This is where creativity takes over because the more descriptive the input, the richer the output. Once the prompt is submitted, the AI model gets to the work analyzing the request and beginning the process of video generation. Soon, a preview version appears on the screen. At this stage, it's not always perfect. Sometimes the timing, visuals, or a flow need adjustment. That's where refinement comes in. By tweaking the prompt or making a slight edits, the AI is guided to produce a cleaner and more accurate version of the video. The review stage is important. Here, the flow is checked carefully, making sure the visuals match the original idea transition. The source button shows you the raw output or underlying text code data that the LLM generated. Think of it as the backstage view. You can see exactly what the AI produced without formatting. And the studio button takes the raw output and lets you work with it in a creative editor. Here you can refine, style, or customize the AI response like turning a plain text into video presentation or polished content. So we are going to generate a video with suitable audio. Boom. Finally, after refining and reviewing, the AI delivers the finished version, a complete video generated from nothing more than a text input. With just a few clicks, the project is saved, ready to be shared, published, or further edited. And that's how Google LM transforms imagination into moving images, turning words into story that comes alive on screen.